This ATF airdrop mining is trending in no small measure. I think a lot of us have this thing when it comes to Telegram bots. We have lost the trust due to how some of those airdrops treated us, right? But this one here seemed to be in the talks. Everyone is talking about it, saying they have been able to withdraw and the token is trading. And in fact, let's check one of the decentralized exchanges they have made reference to. So this is Stonekeeper and this is my wallet. So let's click on trades here. And you see the most traded, right? Showing the most traded tokens. It says UTYA major redo cherry ETF, right? ETF has more trading percent than Notcoin, Dogs, and STON. So let's click on the ATF here. So this is the ATF trading for the last day, and it has made the percentage rise in price of 5.92%, right? So here it shows that the market cap is 13.61 million, total supply is 10.99 billion, and all of that is in supply, right? So this is it. This is the trading volume in the last 24. The buy is 32.16k while the sell is 31.06k. So guys, what's up? Let's look it up. It's free, right? So before we move on, this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. So with that said, what can you do? Press start to begin, blah blah blah. This we already know. So let's click on start bot here. Welcome to ETF. Start mining. Click on start. Alright, so here we are. So let's click on connect wallets. I have a Tokenkeeper wallet, so let's go with Tokenkeeper. Connect. Enter passcode. Okay, let's click on start. Wallet is connected. Verifying it with the server. Alright, so to verify the wallet with the server, I guess, solve this quick math question to start mining. 6, continue. Alright, so wallet has been verified and I am mining. So what's up? Am I tapping to earn or what exactly am I doing here? Oh, is this mining on its own? Click on claim. Oh, so I just click on claim and that amount has been added to pool. So my pool wallet is now showing this amount. So what's up? Let's explore. It says I'm on level 1 and I'm ready. $0.03 left to level up. My assets 0.035. Well, this is the mine page. So let's simply tap on this question mark here. ATF white paper, limited transparent supply, owned by the community. As you can verify on DYO, more than 83% of ATF tokens are held by users, and only 16.83 are held by the top 10 wallets. Right, I'm gonna go through all of that. So let's click on task here. So you have tasks here to complete, which include Telegram channel. Let's click on go here. So you join the channel. After joining, you come back and claim. The task completed. So you do same for all of the tasks. Alright, so I've completed all of these tasks and I've received the rewards. Some of them are recurring tasks. So next in so amount of time. So that's that for task. Let's check minus. My level journey, I'm on level 1. All-time high, blah, blah, blah. Speed 0.2 th per second. Need 100 ATF to unlock or what? Level 3 locked. So there are levels. I'm currently on level 1. I guess that's what it means. What's up with these levels though? I'm still up to level 100 and something. Well, it's not something I'm so curious about chasing. There is the friends. This is where you can refer people and you earn 100 ETF each. Is that what it means? Invite friends to boost mining speed. Alright, so there will be a gift of 100 ETF each. Team wallet earnings from your network. I haven't got any of that because I haven't referred anyone. Well, your link is here, you can copy and share. And the last on the menu bar is the profile. You will see your assets, your holding wallet, your pool wallet. This is the value of my assets, 0.04, that's 4 cents. I'm seeing the verify account button here. So record an 8-second video on a sheet of paper, write your Telegram ID and TGID. So what's Telegram ID and what's TGID again? Sign the paper and add to this date. Write ETF in large letters on the paper. Look at the camera and say out loud in English, "I'm not a robot." At the end, clearly show your signature and date. So you take the photo, you send it here, holding the paper in your right hand, and you click on send document. Whichever way you send, you must type your TG ID and attach your video and photo. Fastest way, send us direct message on our Telegram channel or email inbox. Okay, that's that for the verification. What else is here? Withdraw, transfer pool to wallet. Okay, so how is this done? Minimum withdrawal is 500 ATF, fee 70 ATF. I don't have anything reasonable there just yet. So back to the mine page, and so in summary, guys, this is what the ATF project is about. I need $0.08 worth of ETF to level up. So guys, this is it. Project is trending. You've seen it on DeFi wallets. And one thing about projects listed on DeFi wallets is anyone can create a token on DeFi wallets, right? So it's not 100% assurance that once the project is on DeFi wallets, it's there for the long term. It could be a fake token. It could not be 100% legit, right? So while you're mining, the airdrop, you be careful. And even the wallet you're connecting to it, make sure it's not the wallet that holds your precious assets, right? Like mine, the one I use is my airdrop wallet, so nothing is going to happen. There's nothing there to lose. So be cautious, be very cautious. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video.